Hey everyone, welcome back to the Penguin Revolution, and today we're just going to talk about this channel and the state of this channel. It's been quite some time since I have uploaded to this channel regularly. It's actually been about 7 months, I think, since my last video. So a lot of people have reached out to me and asked me when I was coming back, and honestly I haven't known what to tell them because I didn't know if I was actually going to be coming back to this channel. And there are multiple reasons why I really haven't been uploading to this channel. So I'm just going to talk about the main reason why I haven't uploaded to this channel and what my future plan for this channel is going to be. Okay, so the main reason why I haven't uploaded to this channel is simply because I haven't really enjoyed making Linux content for a while. It's not something I really enjoy doing anymore. It became kind of a chore, so I kind of just stopped making. And since this is a Linux-based channel, I just really stopped uploading to this channel. And I just started another channel about my reselling business called The Living Picker, and I really haven't uploaded that much to that because I really haven't had much content to upload to that particular channel, which I do plan on doing something with that channel, but just not now. So that's basically why I haven't uploaded to this particular channel. And I actually am going to be coming back to this channel. However, it's not going to be strictly a Linux channel anymore. That doesn't mean I'm not going to make any Linux content. It just means it's not going to be my main focus on this channel anymore. It's still going to be called Penguin Revolution right now. A channel rebrand might be in the future, but just not now. So that's basically why I haven't been uploading to this particular channel, is because I just haven't enjoyed making Linux content on a regular basis. Okay, so what do I plan on doing with Penguin Revolution going forward? Well, basically, it's going to be a channel where I am doing whatever I want. I want to enjoy creating content, and the only way I'm going to do that is just having a channel where I have the freedom to do whatever I want. And that is going to be this channel going forward. It's going to be computing focused or media focused, but it's just not going to be Linux focused anymore. Most of my content will probably be focused on gaming because I love gaming. I would probably tend to be doing content about older games because I love older games. And when I say older games, I'm probably from the 90s and 2000s. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to focus on newer games as well. Currently, I've been playing the Tomb Raider Remastered, which is Tomb Raider 1 through 3, that they've updated the graphics on it. It is actually very well done. Aspyr did a great job on it. What I love about this remaster is it kept the original content in place. They just updated the graphics, but they didn't really change a lot of the gameplay, except they added modern controls. I'll probably be doing videos about this particular game in the future. So basically, that's what I'm going to be doing with Penguin Revolution from now on. I'm also going to be looking into doing YouTube Shorts and possibly TikTok. I'm going to be creating a Twitter account for this channel as well. So that's my plans for this channel moving forward, and I hope you guys enjoy my content as I roll out new content this year. I plan on uploading at least twice a week, but maybe more, depending on how fast I can get content rolled out. And that upload schedule is going to start soon, possibly next week, if not the week after. So thank you for watching and subscribing, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next videos, and take care.